Hey everybody, gonna attempt to start a fire here using the Downing Arts Flint Striking Kit. So you get with that a striker and some milkweed down and some beard lichen and some char cloth and a flint, of course. So right here what I've done is I've made up a little bundle of dry grass, and there's some birch bark and some of that beard lichen, and then I've added some of this old man's beard because I didn't bring any milkweed down with me, so we need something real fine that's gonna sort of catch and ignite. And you sort of construct this thing just like a bird's nest, and you have your coarse grass on the outside and then your finer material in towards the middle. Let's see if we can get that lit. So this is the char cloth. It's basically just cotton cloth that's been sort of burned anaerobically, so it takes a spark really well. And you don't need much, just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is sort of find a sharp edge on my flint, or my chert, as the case may be, and just put that right near that edge and hold it in place with my left thumb. And then with my right hand, I'm going to use my flint striker, and I'm gonna try to get some glancing blows, and what I'm looking to do is direct a spark into that char cloth, and that'll theoretically start a little ember. It's just that little patch of orange that starts, and this stuff holds the spark really well, as you can see. For good measure. I had it there. Got some flames for a second. There we go. Alright, and then so from there, put that on the ground. Got some really fine little sticks. And then what I like to do is the pyramid method. And obviously if I were actually starting a fire and not just doing a demo, I'd have a lot more material to burn. But this is, it's how you get started. It's not like the movies where you just make a little pile of sticks and spark it a couple of times. It takes a lot of effort and forethought to really make something burn. So you have to, take your time, get your tinder material, get your fire bundle all set up, and and it may take you a few tries. It's cold out here today.